Hi, I'm Tom Ruiz and I'm a math supervisor. Today we're going to discuss how to make generalizations about any given polygon. A polygon is a shape that has to have at least 3 sides. The smallest of the polygons is a triangle, a 3-sided shape. A 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. Those consist of rectangles, squares, trapezoids, rhombuses, and parallelograms. Some generalizations about all these polygons. Number 1, a polygon cannot have any openings in it. If this shape is not completely closed, you no longer have a polygon. It has to be a closed figure. Number 2, you cannot have any curves in a polygon. Because this is curved here, you no longer are dealing with a polygon. It's some other shape that is not considered a polygon. And another generalization you can make is that it has to be made out of straight lines. Because there's no curves, it must be made out of straight lines. Here's a 6-sided shape called a hexagon. Notice there's no openings in this hexagon. There's no curves in this hexagon. So the 2 main generalizations you can make about a polygon are, number 1, they cannot have openings, and number 2, they cannot have any curves. I'm Tom Ruiz. You do the math.